Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be discussing underrated products, hidden gems that I think should be viral that I use in my pretty much everyday routine. I have so many good things to share with you all. There was one major mishap and I think we should start there. So when I was doing application, I went to go put on my bridal spray from Skindinavia. I had purchased a small version of it. I love this spray so much. It gives you the best of both worlds as far as like a nice satiny, velvety finish, but also super locked in. It's so good. I went in after all of my makeup was done and I, close my eyes, I take a spray, and I think I sprayed twice. The first one I was like, ooh, like that felt weird. Like what's going on here? Like I've loved this spray for like 10 plus years, just got my hands on another bottle, like what's going on here? I look at the bottle, you guys, I sprayed makeup remover spray with vitamin E on my finished face. I just about had a panic attack. I was like, I was sat down to film, what am I doing? And so I went in with another pro secret hidden gem. If you can find this online, I will try to link everything below. I'm sure Amazon sells this. I've mentioned this a time or two. I don't like to talk about it too much because it is much like putting hairspray on your face. But if you need to lock it down, there is no better spray than the Kryolan Professional Fixing Spray. This will dry you out if you use it every day. But I was like, think fast. Don't ruin your makeup. What can you do here? So I sprayed this on and it did save the day. But if you are judging me at all, if my makeup looks a little bit blotchy, this is why. Okay, so before we dive into everything, because there's a lot, I do want to share with you guys that I'm wearing another Sezane top. Now I want you to tell me, do we love this or not? I kind of think maybe I need a slightly bigger size. This is a small, but also I kind of like it how firm the collar is. I'll have this linked below as well. I don't think the necklace is available anymore, but I am really into this brand and I'm so excited. I'm going to Austin and they actually have a store there where I can try stuff on. Not affiliated with the brand, I wish, but I am gonna go and hunt down some more clothing because they are all natural fibers, organic cotton, that whole thing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This is like another, I would say, hidden gem, although they are getting a little more popular. All right, cheers. That was for James. First up, whoo! This is a hot product. What I am holding in my hands is so potent and powerful if you need to smooth out your skin pre-makeup. I used to use this all the time. I don't know why I stopped. It's like I had amnesia. I bought it again, an immediate wow. This is from Makeup Forever. This is their Ultra HD Skin Booster. Technically a serum, but I put this on top of all of my skincare right before I'm ready to do makeup. And what it does to the skin, just to smooth everything out, is miraculous. You can also mix this in with your foundation. Now, this is what makeup artists behind the scenes have been using for years to prep models' faces before photography. It is in the HD line, so the formulation is designed for skin to look really great in high definition camera or video photography. This is so good. If you're looking to immediately plump the skin pre-makeup, this is gonna be your best bet. Tell me what you think about it because I'm back all in on this one right here. Standout Beauty sent me their latest and greatest. This is a smaller version of their original sponge and it is the perfect size. I don't even wet it and I just take the foundation and literally it's so large and in charge that you can just swipe on the face. It lays down the perfect amount of foundation. What I really like this for as well is concealer because you can get right up to the lash line. You're not gonna over apply the product. It's gonna blend everything out perfectly. It's taking a little bit of the product into the sponge itself, but laying down and smoothing and blending out. And the finish ends up being so airbrushed and perfect. I am back in this big time. Love supporting an indie brand. Check them out for sure. If you're wondering in the video, like what's going on with the bow, Tati? Like what is that? So this is my headband that I typically will use when I'm washing my face at night. I hate the bow on it. I wish I could find one without a bow. I'm sure it exists. I've just been lazy and I haven't found one. But what I like about this is it's kind of tight, but it's soft so it doesn't hurt your head. You put this on, you can wash your face. It comes with the cute little wrist guys so you don't get water up your sleeves. I will find this, I will list it it and link it. This I'm gonna need to duplicate like ×5. I finally found my thing that works better for me than clips, and I have a very bizarre reason for why I like this. I put it on and it's tight enough to really just lift the forehead. So when I'm doing foundation, when I'm doing powder, everything is flat. Any of my forehead lines are kind of lifted and flattened out, and I swear it makes all the difference in my makeup application. I am loving when I use this, when I remember to pop this on, how everything applies. And then it also safeguards you. If you can see, like the foundation and makeup up here, it safeguards you from getting all of that in your hair. It's a part of my routine now. It is so good to get everything out of the way, just kind of nice and tight back. You know what else is underrated? Honestly, this is so good. This is acai berry, like one of the smoothie packets, blueberry and some other junk that I threw in a blender, and it is delicious. This one I have been wearing a ton, and anytime I wear it, you guys are like, what blush are you wearing? What blush are you wearing? And I'm like, it is the perfect pink. It is the perfect application. I love this blush. The shade is Pink Dust. The brand is RÓEN. So if you're someone that's looking for the perfect pink, this is it. Look no further. She is juicy in the right way. She applies effortlessly. There's no patchy blend. Powder goes on top of it beautifully. I just cannot say enough. And you can actually take this and tap it on your lips as well, and it just gives you this beautiful brightening effect. This is a hot, hot blush that does not get enough praise. What's Up Beauty has a new blush that is so good. Now this is talc free. If you have any issue breaking out, having your pores clogged from talc, you're gonna love this. It's brightening, it's marbled, it goes on so sheer, but it's buildable. I like using this on top of cream when I want to really lock everything in. I want just a little more blush to make everything sandwich and hold, which is a great tip for any of your makeup to wear longer. This is just like a dream when it comes to application. It's so blurring and beautiful. This one right here is Relaxed Roma. The one that I am wearing today is the shade Peaceful Pisa. Look at this. It has like a little bit of blue, very cool toned. If you like cool toned blushes, this is definitely one to check out. So smooth, so satisfying to just look at even. It blurs the crap out of your pores. It just gives you this nice velvetized look on the skin. I am loving this so much. This is an indie brand that makes great nail polish and eyeshadow as well. Shout out to What's Up Beauty. Really love your new blushes. An old hidden gem. Now this is so random, like why did I buy this? I have no idea. I use Painterly Paint Pot all the time and I really don't veer away from it, and I kind of had like a memory lane moment where I was like, I used to use this eye primer from Clinique that was really, really good. Ordered it, was not disappointed. This is so velvety soft. It gives a similar effect to Painterly Paint Pot, but it's not as thick. So if you don't want to spend time kind of glopping up the eyelids and you want something a little more sheer, you could even just put this on the eyelid and go out the door. Like if you want to cancel any veins, but you don't want a thick concealer, this is going to be really good. Now this is the shade Canvas. It's the touch base for eyes. I love this so much. And the nostalgia of a cute little Clinique green package. There's just something about it being in my makeup bag that makes me happy. And I have been reaching for this over and over and over. It smooths out the lid and does elongate the wear time of your eyeshadow. It's a good one. I did want to share with you guys, when I put the RÓEN blush on my lips today, I did a base really quickly with Lune+Aster inspired. Love this liner to pieces. Between Wherever Walnut and this one right here, like I could pretty much ditch the rest of my collection, no joke. And then I tapped on top my dupe for Laneige that I am so obsessed with, and I'm wearing it right now. It's just like the perfect amount of shine. Love this one. 2 pieces, and I'm just gonna keep shouting it from the rooftops. This one is a smash hit. I talked about it in a recent dupes video. Go check that out if you haven't. I will have it linked below. And then also another video I did recently was a full face of MAC. Now I'm back into MAC hardcore. My makeup that day was excellent. I was so pleased with how everything wore, but there's something that happened in that try on that I did not expect. And that is the moment when I decided to use this eyeshadow as my highlight. This is the shade Naked Lunch. And this is the perfect highlighter. For some reason, it's so undetectable, but still potent. I'm wearing it today, and it just gives this nice beam of highlight that is so perfect, that blends into the skin just almost magically. It kind of just disappears into the skin, but still leaves you with that gorgeous glow. So I have been using this on the lids, on the nose, on the cheeks. I am reaching for it so much, and I want to rehype this one because it is that good. I had a little bit of a mistake when I was doing my lower lash mascara where I kind of bumped the wand right on that lower lash. Like, it wasn't a situation where I could just wait for it to dry and then scratch it off. Luckily enough, I had this right in front of me. I meant to talk about it anyway, but I got to use it on camera and show you guys just how phenomenal this makeup eraser fixer from Stila is. You have this kind of jelly side. It's double-sided. This will be the side that erases the mistake, but then you have another side that will actually remove what mistake you made, will remove the makeup. You can continually clean this as you like. This is so great. If you screw up your eyeliner and you need to clean it up, you can clean it up quickly. What I like to use this for the most is on the go mistakes. So if you pop this in your makeup bag and on the go, you have smudgies underneath the eye and you're like, I don't know what to do, you know, and you don't want to be using your fingers to kind of smear and wipe makeup everywhere. This will fix it in 2 seconds without wrecking the rest of your makeup. This is such an important piece to have in your collection, especially in your makeup bag on the go. Definitely check it out. It is the Stila Save the Day Eye and Lip Perfector. Spa Ritual makes my very favorite dry brush. I talked about dry brushing recently and I didn't give you guys my recommendation. I should have, I apologize. This is the one that I love the most. I've tried so many. I've been dry brushing for like 20 years. It's a part of my daily routine. I do it before I hop in the shower. It will get your lymphatic system going and give you a light amount of exfoliation. I just feel like my skin is so buttery soft when I'm consistently doing this, and it only takes a couple of minutes. This brush right here is the best one, in my opinion. I have tried all of them and it's firm enough, but not too scratchy. It's like just right. So this is the one from Spa Ritual. Now I've been into jojoba oil and you guys wanted to know the brand. Jojoba Care Organic Jojoba Extract. I just started doing this and I can't believe that the bottle is not more empty because I feel like I use a pretty generous amount. I've been doing this maybe like 3 weeks. I take a little bit of oil, I put it on my legs after I get out of the shower. Jojoba oil is the most similar to our natural oil that our body produces. So if you have crackly, dry skin and you're like, oh my gosh, nothing is working, jojoba oil is going to save you. Like, it is so boring. There's nothing scented or sexy or fun, but it is one of those things that will absorb quickly and really hydrate the skin effectively, and you don't need a lot of it. I swear this is such a good tip. Mario Badescu. You know, I've been using a lot of pimple patches. I've been doing that whole thing, but I'm back in using this guy right here for any of my little chin breakouts that I sometimes tend to get around that time of the month, or if I have a random like clogged pore, some kind of thing happening. This fixes the situation practically overnight. You just dunk a Q-tip in, get all the stuff at the bottom. You will look a little bit weird, like you kind of look like you have calamine lotion on your face if you ever remember having the chicken pox and having that all over the body. It's kind of like that, but just put it on before you go to bed. You wake up and it has dried everything out. This is powerful stuff, so don't go crazy with it, but it does really work. Queen Cosmetics. You guys, this is the cutest packaging ever. This is an indie brand that I absolutely adore. These are refillable. I don't know what shade this is. I'll have to put it in the description. This is so mesmerizing. It is just absolutely the silkiest, smoothest, duochromatic, beautiful shadow. So if you are into duochrome and you don't want to buy a whole Danessa Myricks palette, but you want the quality, I would definitely check out Queen Cosmetics. I love hyping them up because they do such a good job. And the color selections are all over the place, but really, really pretty. They are so beautiful and thin, potent, pigmented, will not enhance crinkles or wrinkles on your eyes. They're just right. I don't know why I didn't try these sooner. They are an immediate yes. This is the Pat McGrath Dramatic Mega Lip. I have Naked Seduction, and then I have a red one called Obsessed. These pack such a punch. They are velvety. They go on like butter, but they're not overly slippery. Like you can still line the lips. It's not goopy getting everywhere. The color saturation is opaque and even. I will be wearing these a lot. I love how they feel. I love how they wear. They are just A+ across the board. The way they go on is just like, whoop, you're done. It has a perfect glide, but they're not greasy. They're just like this velvety texture that is really interesting and different for a chubbier lip pencil. Am I flashing you guys this whole time? Shoot. All right, we made it. Those are my non-viral products that I think deserve to be viral. If you check any of them out, let me know how you're liking them. I think you will love them. Everything will be listed and linked below. I love you guys so much. Go and have a great day, whatever you are doing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.